Earthworms, nature's silent heroes. Have you ever wondered who works day and night beneath our feet without ever asking for a reward? These tiny creatures are called earthworms. Although they may look small and simple, they play one of the most important roles in keeping our environment healthy. Earthworms spend most of their lives underground. As they move through the soil, they create small tunnels that allow air and water to reach plant roots. This makes the soil softer, healthier, and more fertile. They feed on dead leaves, dried plants, and other organic waste. Inside their bodies, this material is broken down and returned to the soil as nutrient-rich, natural fertilizer called worm castings. This fertilizer helps crops, vegetables, and trees grow faster and healthier without harmful chemicals. Farmers around the world value earthworms because they naturally improve the quality of farmland. A field with many earthworms is usually more productive than one without them. For this reason, earthworms are often called nature's farmers. Earthworms have no eyes, but they can sense light and vibrations. They breathe through their moist skin, which is why they need damp soil to survive. During heavy rain, they often come to the surface because they're underground. Tunnels become filled with water. These amazing creatures are completely harmless to humans. They do not bite, sting, or spread disease. Instead, they quietly work every day to keep the soil alive and support the growth of plants that provide us with food. So, the next time you see an earthworm in the garden or after the rain, remember that it is not just a small worm. It is one of nature's hardest workers, helping forests, farms, and gardens thrive. Sometimes, the smallest creatures make the biggest difference. Protecting earthworms means protecting healthy soil, healthy plants, and a healthier planet for everyone.